sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. What up, YouTube? It's your girl, Natalia President. And yes, my last name really is President. And I'm back today bringing you another banger. But before we get into today's video, I'm gonna need for you to subscribe to your girl's channel so I can get to 600 subscribers. And turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you will be notified. All right, so for today's video, I will be doing the skincare do's and don'ts. Like, so many people don't have clear skin just because they're doing things that are making their skin worse. And they're not doing the things that can make their skin better, because it's not always the products. Some people do not realize it's not always the products. It's not always about water. It's not always about sleep. It's not always about having the most expensive skincare. Sometimes it's the simple things that can change your entire skin. And I mean that because I'm a living testimony of it. So these are the 10 skincare do's and don'ts, and I threw in a couple bonuses for you guys because I love y'all. So let's get into today's video, 10 skincare do's and don'ts. Let's do it. So for today's video, we're gonna do the skincare do's and don'ts. Let's jump right into it. We're gonna start out with the don'ts. Don't number 1, start your routine out with dirty hands. Just don't do it. It's a waste of time. You're literally going to be bringing all of the dirt and toxins that you have on your hands that you collected throughout the day, and you're gonna start washing your face with dirt. Like, don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, so I need for you to wash your hands when you're going to start your routine. Even if you're going to be cleansing and taking off makeup, whatever you're doing, if you're going to be touching your face, make sure you wash your hands first. Don't number 2, do not over exfoliate. As much as I love my caramel coffee cleanser or my caramel coffee scrub, I had to force myself not to use it every single day because I understood all of the damage that it can cause to your skin, and I want to relay that over to you guys. As much as you love how your skin feels after using a scrub and just feeling how soft it is and how, oh my gosh, I know it feels amazing, and I know you want that baby's bottom smooth skin, but trust me, over exfoliating is going to damage your skin in the long run. Think about it. Day 1, you exfoliate all the dead skin off. Then day 2, you exfoliate again. You're exfoliating the new skin that you just let emerge. Like, you're not going to even give it time to breathe and show off. So if you're like me, a scrubaholic, make sure you try to limit 2 to 3 times a week. I have literally went down to 1 to 2 times a week because I know how bad it is for my skin. But when it comes to this body, honey, I, do sometimes 3 times a week. It depends, on how I'm feeling. But I'm telling you guys, the less you use an exfoliant, I'm telling you, even if it's a gel exfoliant, a fruity acid exfoliant, whatever type of exfoliant that you're using, make sure you're not overusing it, because you're not even giving the new skin that you just let emerge time to show off and breathe. So make sure you do not over exfoliate. Number 3, do not drink too much coffee or soda. I'm telling you, your skin's not gonna appreciate it. You might love the way it tastes, and you might think, oh my God, it's keeping me up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, and I can't live without sodas. But your skin definitely is not going to appreciate it. It dehydrates your skin really, really bad, and it also causes breakouts. Make sure you guys try to eliminate coffee and sodas out of your routine, and I'm telling you, your skin will be thanking you for the rest of its life. Number 4, do not go to sleep with makeup. As much as we love our makeup, ladies, do not go to sleep in makeup. At the end of the day, no matter how much you look good, you're like, okay, I done paid my $80 for this full face. I'm gonna get 2 days out of it. Your skin's not gonna appreciate it, okay? So I'm gonna need for you, as tired as you are, as much as you wanna save coins, as much as you wanna save your money, whatever the reason is that you try to sleep in makeup, don't do it. Don't. If you want clear skin, you need to get your behind up, get in the bathroom, and cleanse your face, okay? If you don't have time to do a full-on routine because you're super duper tired, you got super duper lit, and now you're home and you don't even know what soap and water is, keep makeup wipes by your bed, keep makeup wipes in your bathroom, in your purse, however it is. Take a makeup wipe, sis, and wipe that makeup off. And then in the morning, do your full routine, but do not sleep in makeup. Don't number 5, do not overdo it when it comes to skincare. As much as you may love trying new products and going to the store and dropping bags on skincare, nataliasmagicskincare.com. website down below. But as much as you may love your skincare products and trying to, you know, utilize as many as you can from different brands, or trying all of the brands, different products. I've had people buy like every single product off my website because they want to just try it all. But as much as you may want to do that, make sure you're not using all of those products in one sitting. One night you're getting ready to go to bed. Okay, you wash your face, you do your exfoliator, you do your mask, you do your serum. Cool. Do not overdo it though. Don't try too many products at once, because one, if you break out, you don't know what product it is that you're reacting bad to. And not only that, if you use a lot of products at one time, you don't know what products from different brands don't mix well together. There's a lot of skincare products, especially in the industry, that they just don't mix well together. You do not want to use a cleanser from one company and a scrub from one company. They have products that counteract, like, you know, pretty much water and oil, and don't mix well together. Then your face breaks out and you're thinking it's a product from, you know, that you're using, and it's not even maybe a product. It might be you're using wrong products that don't mix well together. So make sure when you're starting a new skincare, pretty much a new skincare routine, make sure you start out small. Start out with just one company, or if you are going to mix it, one from each company, so you can kind of try to narrow down what product broke you out. And you don't want to irritate your skin and just cause it too much irritation. I know I have super sensitive skin, and if my skin starts saying wait a minute, too many products. So I'm pretty sure your skin will do that as well, but don't get it to that point where then it's like stinging, tingling, burning, and screaming for help, and super dry and patchy and hurting. Don't let it get to that point. Use less as possible sometimes when it comes to skincare. Now, if you do have breakouts already and you're already experiencing irritation, you definitely want to stick to less is more. Now, if you are trying to clear up something and it's not irritated, but you're just trying to clear up things, consistency is key in making sure you're using products that are really targeting what you're trying to get rid of. That's the key when it comes to skincare. Not trying to overdo it and use much products that you can as possible to try to get rid of it. Using 5 different acne cleansers and 3 acne scrubs, trying to get rid of your acne overnight, when you could just use the green tea detox. That's like my go-to. But anyways, do not overdo it when it comes to products. All right, it's time for the bonus don't. The bonus don't is do not skip your neck. As much as we are so in a rush to try to wash our face, or we think, oh, we're in the shower, we get our neck, so it's okay. No, when you're doing your skincare routine, do not skip out on your neck. Your neck is going to appreciate it in the long run. When you're doing your makeup, you're gonna have the same exact color. You're gonna be able to have that same smoothness. I was the person that literally stopped right here at my jawline until I started experiencing really bad breakouts on my jawline. I had to start extending it, and by accident trying to extend it here, ended up getting my whole neck. And I started seeing the difference in my overall skin from my neck up when I started actually not skipping my neck in my skincare routine. So ladies, if you can just take a little bit of time when it comes to your skin, I'm telling you, don't skip your neck. It's time to move on to the do's. So the do's of skincare, we're gonna start with do number 1. Drink water. I know everyone says it, they're like, drink water, ladies. I'm telling you, water is the key when it comes to your skin. You want to always have that nice glow. Water will give you the nice overall glow to your skin, the even complexion, the nice hydrated look, because you can't glow if you're not hydrated. If your skin's dehydrated, it's gonna look very dry and scaly and irritated. So make sure you drink water and give your skin and your body the hydration that it needs. Number 2, make sure you moisturize your skin. As much as you may think, oh, let me just put lotion on my skin. No, you need a moisturizer, whether it's a serum, whether it's a cream, whether it's a hydration mask, whether it's an SPF that has moisturizer included, whatever it is, make sure you are hydrating and moisturizing your skin. Even if you need to double moisturize, I sometimes triple moisturize because I have super dry skin. If you have oily skin, do not think you get to skip over this do. I don't care how oily your skin is. Your skin is gonna become more oily if you don't moisturize it. I know some people that say, I have oily skin, I don't have to moisturize my skin. Well, you're gonna keep having oily skin, okay? Because you don't moisturize and hydrate your skin, so it's gonna produce more oil to hydrate it. It's gonna be hydrated regardless, with or without your permission. So you might as well go on and hydrate it with that moisturizer so that you can reduce your oily skin. Duh. So I'm gonna need for you all, whether you have oily, combination, dry, sensitive, whatever, find a nice moisturizer, whether it's the Golden Glow Serum, whether it's an SPF product with a glow moisturizer in it, whatever it is, make sure you moisturize and hydrate your skin. Number 3, make sure you are double cleansing at night. I'm telling you, you will literally see the difference in your skin overall, whether it means acne, preventing breakouts, hyperpigmentation, whatever it is. Double cleansing is going to be your best friend, because the first cleanse, you're removing your makeup, you're removing the dirt, the toxins, everything else. But the second cleanse is gonna help any extra residue that you did not get off the first time. So make sure you are double cleansing. Wash your face 2 times. Double cleansing is going to be the first step to getting clear skin and actually really making sure your products are actually going to start working. You have to double cleanse. Don't just think washing it 1 time and going to bed is going to just equal clear skin. You need to double cleanse and make sure you have everything off that is not supposed to belong onto your skin. Number 4, make sure you at least mask 1 time a week. A lot of people say, oh, my skin doesn't need a mask. I don't care who you are, you need a mask in your life, whether it's a detox mask, whether it's a hydration mask, whether it's a repairing mask, whether it's a getting rid of wrinkle mask, a youthful mask, a vitamin C mask, whatever mask it is, you need to mask at least 1 time a week. Depending on my skin, depending on how it's feeling, whether it's dry, whether it needs to be detoxed, whether it's having really bad breakouts, whatever it is. When I'm having really bad breakouts or acne, or I'm trying to prevent it, or I have an event coming up and I don't want any breakouts to come up, to come to my skin and actually start showing, that's when I use the green tea detox. When I just want to give it a nice glow and make sure that I keep all of my skin even and have no hyperpigmentation, I will use the rose gold royalty face mask or the oatmeal and avocado face mask. When I'm wanting to just escape, unwind, I had a long week, I was trying to get out orders, trying to film on YouTube, whatever it is, that's when I use the tropical island or the deep sea. But make sure you guys use at least a mask a week, so that way you can give your skin the repairing that it needs and actually show it some love. Number 5, make sure you are cleaning your makeup brushes, and not only that, making sure you're cleaning off your phone. A lot of people talk on their phone, using their phone, texting, calling, FaceTiming, whatever it is, but your phone has so much dirt and toxins on it that you don't even realize it. So every time you touch it and put it to your face and put it with your hands and text and do whatever that is, you're literally just transferring dirt everywhere and all around. So when your skin is breaking out on your cheeks, that's why your phone's dirty. It's time to go. It's time to go clean it, okay? Time to take a makeup wipe. Time to take any type of cleansing. Don't get me started when it comes to cleansing on phones, because all I do is just take a makeup wipe and whoop, wipe it. Take a paper towel behind it and wipe it again and dry it off. That's how I cleanse it. But also makeup brushes. A lot of people think, it's just me using it, I don't need to do it. Cleanse your makeup brushes and clean them, because you want to get all the dirt. Think about it. You're literally doing your makeup each time and you just sit it down. Anything in your bathroom can attract any type of bacteria and fungus to go right to your makeup brush, and then you just keep using it. So you're just spreading the fungus and bacteria all into your face. So no matter how much you're doing your skincare routine, if you're using dirty makeup brushes, you're never gonna have clear skin, sis, okay? So I'm gonna need for you to clean your makeup brushes and clean your phones. Time for the bonus do. Hey, the bonus do. So the bonus do is to make sure you sleep on a silk pillowcase, or at least change your pillowcase, especially if you have cotton, every couple of days. So some people do it once a week. Some people do it every 4 to 5 days. I do mine once a week because I am super duper bad when it comes to that, because I'm the type of person that just likes to have a replacement in the back, so I can just slide that one on while the next one's washing. Whatever is, whatever floats your boat. But if you only have one pillowcase, whether it be silk or cotton, make sure you're at least washing it once a week, because you do not want to be sleeping on any bacteria, any dirt, any makeup, any toxins that you did spread to your pillow. And then you're just gonna you're sleeping overnight, letting that just sit on your face. You don't want bacteria, you don't want dirt, toxins all on your skin. So make sure you are at least washing your pillowcases once a week. And if you can, use silk pillowcases instead of cotton. For today's video of the skincare do's and don'ts, if you like this video, make sure you thumbs it up and make sure you comment down below any video suggestions that you guys want to see. I am so thankful for you guys in supporting me. And the code word was displayed in the video earlier. You already know the drill. DM it to me on Instagram. Do not comment down below, but DM it to me on Instagram so you can get your free product from Natalia's Magic Skincare. share,